Hello, thank you for reaching out about how to access Coursera through the San Jose Public Library website. So I'm going to get you started just from Google because I know that's where a lot of people start from. So go ahead and type in SJPL and hit enter, and then go to your San Jose Public Library main website. Now once you are here in the upper right hand corner, click the little caret to website, and we are going to search for Coursera, and then you can hit search. Now, the very first one that comes up right here is the one you are looking for. Now, please don't be intimidated by these steps. You'll only have to go through these steps one time, and then after that, it'll be much easier. So you're going to hit Get Started, and it is going to bring you to this page. Now, you're going to fill this all out. You do need to have a California zip code. Put in the San Jose Public Library if that's closest to you. Agree to these 3 terms and hit Register Now. Once you do, it will take you through a couple pages where you have to accept to their terms and conditions. And then it eventually will take you to this page. This will be the Coursera page. From here, you can go to Languages, and you'll have to go down to the Show All. If you want to look for the Korean language, you can click that box, hit Apply, and it will bring up all of the courses that you have access to. I have also listed a step-by-step for you. If you have any questions, let me know.